What is going on? This is going to be 5 tips and ideas for your med spa to generate more business. I'm Caleb Shore, the creator of Conversion Stream, where we help dentists and med spa owners get anywhere from 30 to 50 new patients. So let's just jump right in. This article is from g2.com. It's actually a really good article. But we're going to go over the 5 steps, 5 tips, 5 ideas, whatever you want to call them, to help generate more patients. So number 1, my favorite, retargeting ads. If you're not doing retargeting, you are missing a huge opportunity. So just Google how to install a Facebook pixel. What that means is a retargeting. If someone comes to your website and then they leave and they jump on Facebook, we can show them retargeting ads after. So people that come to your website, all of them are going to leave at some point. The goal is to show them your brand after they have left the website. So how that is done is through the Facebook pixel using retargeting. So if you have any questions, reach out. I can walk you through that. It's honestly really easy. It's just a couple lines of code. Number 2, I'm going to only show you 5. This list has 20. If you implement 5, that is going to be plenty of new patients. So scheduling software, this is a game changer. If you do not have an automated way to schedule, you are missing the boat. It's 2021 right now when I'm recording this. If you haven't already implemented, use your practice management software. We have a software built in that you can schedule online. A lot of our clients are scheduling through text messaging. Some people, yes, obviously they're going to want to call, totally understand, let them call and schedule. But the goal is to continue to push people to the scheduling software. It automates your front desk. It automates the follow-up. You're going to have a ton of more free time for your front desk staff to not have to worry about schedule. And on the back end, on the marketing stuff, we can do a lot of things to nurture and make sure you're reducing no-show. So number 3, memberships. This is another really big one that not many med spa owners utilize, believe it or not. Memberships. So if you think of something that you sell often to the same people, so like recurring business that comes back in, Botox, filler, like a regular spa, like a massage, plenty of membership opportunities. You don't have to be a gym to sell a membership. So hear me loud and clear. If you have recurring customers that come in and get the same thing over and over again, sign them up for membership. Offer them a 15-20% discount to sign up for the membership. It includes your recurring billing, just like a gym membership. The majority of gym memberships, people don't actually come. They just pay for it. So it's income for the business. I know that's not the best thing to say, but you're running a business. It needs to be successful. So use memberships to your advantage. Number 4, Selfie Station. This day and age in social media, creating content from your customers is the best way to do it versus having your front desk staff or even you as the practice owner creating this content. If you can have your customers and your patients doing it for you using your Selfie Station, that is a win-win for everyone. You can just repost the content. You're reaching a new audience. You're tapping into their audience as well. And it's a win-win for everybody. So get yourself a Selfie Station. I'm going to skip a couple of these into the last one, email marketing. This is another really big one. In 2021, the view rate for email is a lot lower than it was, let's just say 2 years ago, but you still need it. It is 100% required. And nowadays with all the tools, it's really not that hard to set up. We use it for our almost all of our customers, believe it or not. It's just another touch. On average, it takes a customer or a patient 8 touch points from a business to buy from them. 8, yes. 8. Count them all. Email marketing is just one of them. So if you don't have yourself an email marketing, definitely I urge you, sendfox.com, MailChimp, both of those are free. Go sign up for them right now. If you have any questions, reach out. Caleb Shore at Conversion Stream, conversionstream.com, where we help med spa owners generate 30 to 50 new patients every single